We interrupt your regularly scheduled programming to bring you, in our very first reoccurring weekly episode, we share with you a top tip about life and tech. In this week's episode, we show you how to check your password security. If you have an iPhone, install your password using Apple's password storage feature, which is similar to 1Password. Then head over to Settings. Go to Search and type in password. Click on Passwords. Here you'll see a list of all your sites that you have passwords stored against, and whether or not they are secure. Check your error messages. Most of the time, the same action is required. Change your password and make it a strong one. Now back to your regular scheduled programming.